The BRIG Eagle 8. 8 metres of pure boating perfection. Designed for adventure and getting you out on the great British coastline. Designed for having fun and seeing things that others can't. Designed for the family. For having fun with those you love, anchored up in a cove, surrounded by the gorgeous British coastline. Also designed for fun. The power and perfection of the balance of the Suzuki on the back of your Eagle 8 will have you smiling from ear to ear as you whistle along the coastline. Ergonomics in the console and performance in the hull. The BRIG Eagle 8 really is a phenomenal 8-metre package. Get in contact with the team at the Wolf Rock Boat Company and click the link below to come and see the BRIG Eagle 8.